Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how Pythagoras Theorem works, and we're going to use the formula to find the missing lengths of a triangle. So I'm just going to tell you this, that Pythagoras only works on right angled triangles. It does not work on any other type of triangles such as scaling or isosceles. It doesn't work on those. It only works on right angled triangles. And just to clarify, right angled triangles look like this. They have a little box that highlights that it has 90 degrees, which is a right angle. So now the formula for Pythagoras is a squared plus b squared equals to c squared. You have probably heard of it. It's a very famous formula, and it's one of the most easiest formulas to remember for your GCSE Maths exam. It's just a squared plus b squared equals to c squared. It's just 3 letters that you need to remember. So now I'm going to tell you how to label the triangles, so you can use the formula to answer some questions. So the longer side is called the hypotenuse, and you would always label it C. So C is the longer side, which is also known as the hypotenuse, and the other 2 sides that are left, you can label it A or B. It doesn't matter which way you label it, doesn't matter. So I'm going to label it A, and I'm going to label this B. So the longer side is C, and the other 2 are A and B. So now we're going to do some exam practice questions. So you need to calculate the hypotenuse. So to calculate the hypotenuse, first of all, to get the full marks for your working out, and the answer, of course, we're going to write the formula first. So a squared plus b squared equals to c squared. Now what we're going to do, since this is A and B and this is C, we're going to substitute the values into the formula. It's going to be 6 squared plus 5 squared equals to c squared. 6 squared is 36 and 5 squared is 25. So we're going to do 36 plus 25 equals to c squared. It's going to be 61 equals to c squared. So the opposite of squaring is the square root. So we're going to do the square root of 61, which is going to equal to c. So the square root of 61, if you put it on a calculator, you're going to get 7.81 to 2 decimal places, which will be the value of c. To check if your answer is correct, the hypotenuse is always the longest side. So if your answer is greater than A or B, then your answer is going to probably most likely is going to be correct. Otherwise, on the other hand, if it is going to be less than A or B, then the answer is probably wrong. So I'm going to do another question. So now we need to calculate the missing length, and for us it's going to be A. So we're going to, first of all, we're going to write down the formula. Now what we're going to do is that we are going to rearrange the formula to make A the subject. We can make B the subject as well, it's your choice, but I'm going to make A the subject. It's going to be A squared equals to C squared minus B squared. So we need to find the value of A. So we're going to substitute the values into the formula, this one, and we're going to get A squared equals to 10 squared minus 6 squared. 10 squared is 100 and 6 squared is 36. We're going to do 100 minus 36, which is A squared. So 100 minus 36 is 64, and the square root of 64 is 8. And we can do this by, and A is 8. So we can do 8 squared plus 6 squared, which is going to give us 100. So we can do 64 plus 36, it's going to give us 100. So we obviously know it's going to be correct. So I hope you understood how to use Pythagoras and how to apply the formula to exam questions. I hope you understood how to do that, and I hope you do good on your exams. And please don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more videos like these.